Good afternoon. Recently, I made a purchase with MLToys on their rubberized Power Wheels Mustang and Barbie camper tires. So I just wanted to share that with you. So let's take a look. All right. Here they are. Again, you get two. They sell them in pairs. So here they are. Try to bring one closer here. You can kind of see the front and back. You'll notice that they have the MLToys insignia on them, as well as the tire size, fictional or not. That's up for debate, but nonetheless, same as the stock Power Wheels Mustang and Barbie camper tires. The cool thing is these things can go on either left or right hand side. They all look like this on the back side. That is also partly due to the tread. It's unilateral. You can go this way or that way with it. As mentioned in the MLToys video, this particular tread should provide really good traction. So I'm really excited about that. One of the things was mentioned, it's a rubberized tire. Initially, when I first bought them, maybe my first thoughts were, oh, these are going to be like rubber. But this is like almost like a really hard, solid rubber. But I think that's a good thing because it should last a long time, and they're definitely going to outlast the stock ones. So I'm going to bring a stock one in for comparison here real quick. All right, here's your typical used Power Wheels stock tire. Ugh, this thing's a little rough. It even has little tiny holes in here. I don't know if you can see that, but so comparison. They're about roughly the same diameter, definitely the same width. I don't know if I could show that very well or not, but there we go. Yeah, you get the idea. And as mentioned before, stock ones, you have to buy either a left-hand side or right-hand side due to usually the tread pattern. Some people just buy one side no matter what, but nonetheless, I think it's clear to say that this is definitely an upgrade over stock. So let's definitely get that straight. So I'm really excited to put these on. I think the particular Mustang I'm going to put them on, though, if I may. Oh my. Yeah, I got a little crazy with tearing this one apart. This was supposed to be my parts Mustang that I got running. Well, turns out I got some different plans for it, and I'm excited to share in the next video, so stay tuned.